Okay, so let's start step 5 for the structure. Goal of this step is prepare pages for following steps. So let's get started. Prepare skeleton folders and files. Make pages folder. Some other developers may name screens, but I prefer pages. So let's get started. Open editor, and inside the lib, please make new folder pages, and inside here, copy this, and new file, paste this in, copy code. So this is just super simple code to show homepage, and this is homepage in app bar and body. So this is just for preparation in future steps. Okay, let's go next. Copy file name and new file and copy. There's almost no difference, just the difference is login page and this in login page. That's it. This is just for preparation. Okay, copy file name, create a new file. Let's go next. Okay, so this is the last one. Oops. Okay, finish. And let's go next. Edit dev main.file. Okay, so open main.file and delete this, my home page. Delete this one and replace here to home page. This is pages, home page. Here, replace my home page to this home page. So home page, there is IDE suggestion. So please click this. Okay, so we need to import this. So quick fix. Import here, pages, home page. We import this file. Okay, so check the output. Okay, everything working correctly. This is homepage and app bar homepage. And this is same in homepage.tar. Okay, so we finished these steps. I added a video about import. We import pages homepage.tar like this, but you can also import homepage from, quick fix, like this. So let's check the document about this. So in that official document, they prefer relative path when importing libraries within your own package lib directory. So this is green, but this is not green. So that's why I want to use this import. But there is a problem in Flutter. So let's check that problem. first, please open homepage that I will want to import text widget in this page. So custom text widget, let's create custom text widget. Please create new folder, widgets, and hello text. And inside this folder, stls stateless widget, hello text, and we want to return text. Yeah, text hello, and sorry, save this and quick fix. So we created hello text widget, custom widget. So inside homepage, we want to use this hello text widget. Hello text. It automatically import this package Flutter import. But if you comment out this and check quick fix, so the relative path import doesn't appear. So we can only use this one. So that's why in this course, we will use this packages import, not this one. So please note about this. Thank you.